Hello and welcome to my new video in my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna present to you a Rolex wristwatch, solid gold in 9 carats. This watch has been produced 50-60 years ago, something about 60 years ago, and still looks like the watch just left the factory. Top condition of wristwatch. Let's remove that pillow. Let's first set up the hands. I'm gonna wind it up a couple of times. The watch working. Now I'm gonna pull out the crown and I'm gonna start spinning the hand clockwise direction. It's always better. The time now is 40 past 10. 40 past 10. 10:40. Push back the crown. And now I'm gonna show you the strap of this watch. The crown first, it is with the Rolex logo on it. Solid gold crown. The buckle are two with the logo of Rolex. And the strap. This strap is with the brand Hirsch. It's a very popular brand. They produce in straps, and this strap is made from alligator. It's alligator skin. It's a very, very strong one. I can say it's the top of the top. Louisiana alligator strap. This strap cost 189 pounds. The watch has a clear back. Now I'm gonna try to open that back to show you the movement. It's gonna be very hard because the back of this watch is very tight. Anyway, I'm gonna try to open it. Very nice. So the bar has been removed, and this is the movement. I can easily say very good preserved condition of that movement. Beautiful movement. We have here Rolex inscription of that wheel and 15 rubies and Swiss made. Also a Rolex inscription here. Beautiful movement. So this is the back of the watch. What we've got here, we have a Rolex sign, 31 world records, and 9 carats on the bottom, the purity of gold. Very nice, beautiful watch. So we have to press back. We have to press it back in place. I'm gonna pull the crown. It's gonna be easy to do that. Yes, it's very tight. Click and everything it's back on place. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you think that you have seen something interesting in this video, please subscribe